Healthcare runs on systems that don't speak the same language. Your EHR, your ERP, your revenue cycle platform, each one an island. Meet Rail by SignalEDI. One connection from your systems to Rail, and Rail speaks everything else: EDI, APIs, and FHIR. Rail translates every transaction into a common language, maps it to each partner's rules, and routes it to the right destination. When a route degrades, traffic fails over. Every transaction is monitored in real time, with the audit trail your compliance team expects. When errors appear, AI proposes the fix, and people stay in control. Fewer rejections, faster onboarding, no late-night surprises. Put your integrations on Rail by SignalEDI.